When financial aid for university proved problematic, Nazareth organized us an apprenticeship. He also put us in touch with a business associate to procure the necessary supplies.
AK-47 ezamalashi ipawning ezintsha ibeleta 14 kule magazine
kayenye futhi
wena ngakwelisela nemali.
Hello?
Hey, Mukhu.
I need a white Isuzu Bucky.
Short wheelbase.
95 model. Get it?
Yeah, white Isuzu Bucky.
Hey, Mukhu.
Remember, I'm taking a chance on you, eh?
Yeah. Ungakhathazeki ba. Thina isibani sethu nje ukuphanga igari.
Wena anginandaba noma wenza ngensimbi leso. As long wena ukhokha imali.
Nazareth's contact started us off gently, and we figured, how hard could it be? If there were risks, we weren't too concerned. Besides, on the outskirts of Soweto, there were more white pickup trucks on the streets than there were white people in Sandton. Short beds and long beds, Ford Bantams, Toyota Hiluxes, Nissan Cabs, Opel Corsas, quarter tons, half tons, and flatbeds. Every kind of buggy known to men, excepting, of course, a fucking 95 white Isuzu. As time passed, we became desperate.
Perfect now phangisa man. Hey. Man.
Phangisa kanjani? Eish.
Now no care yes.
Eish, Joe, my feet are killing me mfana ayangishisa namateki.
Mfethu, angithi bocaba ukuthi le ndlela izokubhama izinyawo. Manje,
Joe, sekasivele sekhaya Van Star.
Hey, Taramachit.
Sure, my brother.
Who's it? Do you know the way to Kruger store?
Okay. You need to turn around here, man. Maybe it's about 3 kilometers from here. Turn left, go straight and north.
One, two, three, 4, 5, 6.
that's why
Start. Bese unyathi clutch ufake gearini sibani mfethu.
62.
Damn it. I can't.
Hey man, uhlula yini baba?
I can't. In fact, I can't drive.
Just
98, 99, 100.
Ngitshayile ukuthi mina ngisatana ukubheqa, samele ngithuneni nje.
Oh, chance, man, sengifikile 100, Mustang.
Fuck me.
Nkulunkulu ma-Israel.
Hey wena man.
Bheka mfethu, ngicela ungilalele, ngicela uyeke kancane. Ikari ifana ne-cherry yakho mfethu. Uma ufuna ukuzifestana mfethu, ufuna ukuncenga mfethu, ngiyakufayeza kancane. Usekani la?
Uyabona ukuthi ringa nomuntu wrong lana. Leshimana sikaze sigidla nesi.
Futsek wena man. How many women have you had? Bangaka abafazi kwaba baba.
Ivaya grand no. Manje yazi flasha in manje ngifake sekuyona manje sesishintsha manje. Ya, ake fake sekuyona. Ya yekela.
Hayi. Ngisiklava ngibona baba.
Posi yami izongibulala so bafethu.
hayi wena ngithi uzomtshela ukuthi ikinjisele kana. Ba. Ehlaba ikhap nekholi. La siyabonakala ukuthi ayinini. No fuck off man.
Hey, Namasa. What do you think you're doing? Huh? You are amateurs, man. You're fucking amateurs.
Is this the best you could do for me?
Ish, man, we could have done better. We just needed some more time.
I'm taking 2,000 for damages. But it's 1081.
Yini lokho? Labantu bangazosithwala. Kumele basinike inyundo.
Whoa, what's this now?
Every time you deliver, I deposit money into your account. You use the card to draw it out.
I can't use this, Joe. We want cash.
Hey, no one walks around with cash anymore. You want me to get shot or held up or hijacked? Do I look like a fucking idiot?